want to make a good video? Well, I'll tell you how in 10 steps. First, you must think of a video that you want to create. When thinking of a video, remember, it must be engaging. Engaging means that something is interesting and keeps people's attention. Try to make your video as engaging as possible. There are lots of different types of videos. There are gaming videos, video essays, music videos, reacting videos, unboxing videos, how-to videos. There are lots of types of videos. So just make the video that you want to make. Depending on your video, you might film, you might record audio, or you might not record at all. When recording a video or taking a photo, make sure you have good lighting and make sure to use a variety of interesting angles for your video. When recording audio, make sure to record in a quiet place and make sure to use a microphone to get the most crisp and clear audio you can. You can record audio in CapCut by pressing the record button. If you're going to be talking in your video, I suggest that you make a script. A script is basically just a bunch of words that you're gonna say. It's good for knowing what to say, and it also acts as a blueprint for your entire video. Once you've got your clips, you must import them to your editing device. You can import your clips by using an adapter with an SD card, a charger with a phone, or you can upload to your editing device by using something such as OneDrive. You can also import photos and videos by saving images and using a YouTube to MP3. Import your clips into CapCut, press the import button in the top left, and import any file on your computer. Editing is the most important and time-consuming part in the video making process. So, I'll show you how to edit in CapCut. First, drag your clips into the editor. Now you can move the clip around, change the length of the clip, and split the clip. If you select the clip, a menu will open in the top right that allows you to change the dimensions of the clip. You can change the scale, the position, the rotation, and the opacity. Another important thing is keyframing. To keyframe, you just create a keyframe at one point in the clip for the dimension that you want to change, then go to another point in the clip, create a keyframe there, change the dimension that you want to change, and CapCut will automatically change the dimensions smoothly for you. To make a green screen, select your green screen clip and go to the cutout tab. If you're using a green screen, use the chroma key tool. Select your green screen color and then turn up the intensity to remove your green screen and then turn up the shadow to do something, I don't know. If you don't have a green screen and you want to remove the background to a human, press the auto cut up option. It'll automatically remove the background to your character. After you cut out the background, make sure to add a new background. Text is really simple. All you have to do is go to the text tab and click the default text button. And now, you've got text. You can now change the words, the color, the border, and many things about the text. Music and sound effects are important because they make your video more engaging. Take this clip for example. It's kinda boring, but add some music and... Welcome to the jungle! See, it's way better! You can get music and sound effects via CapCut's audio tab in the top left. Or you can use the YouTube to MP3. To use one, go to YouTube and find the audio you want. Then copy the URL and go to a youtube.mp3. I recommend you to use cobalt.tools. Paste the URL into the bar. Select auto for video and audio for only audio. Then paste, and now you've got audio. There are a lot of other editing tools in CapCut, and I'll explain them to you quickly. When selecting a clip, you can flip, rotate, crop, reverse, and freeze frame the clip. You can mask it, which crops your clip into a certain shape. You can use animations that transitions your clips in and out. There's motion tracking that I don't know how to use. In the adjustment tab, you can change a clip's color, tone, or brightness. You are my sunshine. Then in the top left corner, you can add stickers to your video, and you can change your clips with effects and filters. This is also a pretty important step. Make sure to watch your video the entire way through to see if there are any mistakes. It's almost guaranteed your video has a mistake, So make sure to watch the entire video to catch any to fix it. And also, be aware of copyright laws. These laws prevent you from using other people's work in your video. Once you're completely sure that your video is absolutely perfect, congratulations. You can now go to the final step of the video, which is to export. Don't know why that was so dramatic. To export your video, press the blue export button in the top right corner. Then change the export settings, such as the file name, file location, file size, etc. After that, you can press the export button and then boom, you're finally done with your video. Good job.